Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping in Rainbow Six Siege. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up a command prompt or CMD and then run this program as administrator. And here you just need to write IP config/flush DNS, and then you need to write nesh winsock reset. Right, and after that you start your computer and you need to look if the problem persists, and if the problem persists, then you need to go to your system tray that is on the bottom right corner, right click on network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings here and then reset your network. But keep in mind that if you're using Wi-Fi connection, you need to know your password because you need to put it again. If you're using Ethernet, you don't need to do basically anything. It will be automatic. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to go to more network adapter options when you are on network and internet, then advanced network settings, and then more network adapter options. And then you should find your internet here. So what you need to do here, you need to just disable for a few seconds from 5 to 10, wait for a bit, and then enable again. And after that, then you need to right click on your internet connection, go to properties, make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then just double click on internet protocol version 4. And then you need to use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8. And on alternate DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4. And then press apply OK and save the changes and restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.